Hi everyone, it's me, Dr. Stacy Betancourt, with another edition of Making Sense with Dr. Stacy. Today, we're going to talk about anger. Now, over the last few episodes, I've discussed various emotions and how we commonly express our feelings that coincide with the emotion. Following this pattern, we will unpack anger, and more specifically, how we react when we are angry. Whether we can suppress our emotions or not, we still have them. Our reactions are based mainly on the action. And unfortunately, social media has led to many situations that have landed individuals in trouble. What we need to understand is that both internal and external factors influence our reactions when we're angry. Anger can be damaging and have damaging results if we allow ourselves to lose control. So let's focus on what it means to lose control. It's safe to say that we all have a threshold. That point where you're feeling like you're starting to get tense, your body tightens, your breathing changes, your mind may race with different thoughts. You may feel hurt or forced to do something that goes against your morals, beliefs, or otherwise. Something lets go inside of you, and before you know it, on that scientific level, the feelings stem from a hormonal release in response to a specific action or reaction. Now, I've talked about the different hormones and how they operate in different situations. But just a quick review. The list of hormones include adrenaline, which is epinephrine, noradrenaline, which is norepinephrine, cortisol, and even testosterone. In other words, your stress hormones. Now, you may not associate feelings of anger with stress, but they are closely connected emotions. Simply stated, your heart rate has increased, and so is your blood pressure. To be honest, these reactions aren't healthy. In fact, if you frequently experience these feelings, I suggest you seek help from a qualified individual and ensuring that that person you work with has the appropriate certification to prevent further damage. Now, with that said, here are some tools that you can try when you're feeling past your limits of control. First, take a break. Step away from the situation so that you no longer feel the pressure. Think about the how and the why. Are you feeling pressure? Think about what was said to you to generate those feelings. Then realize that you are in control. And instead of letting the stress build, consider yourself first. Your feelings, the situations leading up to the feelings, the reactions you're having, and avoiding a buildup by discussing your feelings during calm moments. If you are someone who seems to enjoy if there's someone in your life that makes you feel less than you are, then it may be time for a change. And the idea with that is it's taking control. And I do recommend speaking with someone who can help you organize your thoughts, figure out the catalyst, and learn tools to overcome the obstacles. And remember, I'm here for you. So, with all that being said, if you have more frequent feelings of anger, then there's something that may need to change within your life, and that's okay. Change can be scary, but it also can be empowering. And with that, I wish you this. Remember, treat yourself with grace. Treat others with grace, because you know what? It's like I say every week, we're all on a journey. And even if they look the same, the outcomes are the same kind of thing that you're going for, it doesn't mean your journey's going to be identical. So treat yourself with grace, treat others with grace, and that's it. I wish you all a great week. Please take care of yourselves. And that's it for this week's edition of Making Sense with Dr. Stacy. I wish you all the best. Take care.